The second named storm of the season is now brewing in the Atlantic. Tropical Depression 2 became Tropical Storm Beryl Friday night. The National Hurricane Center expecting Beryl to make landfall in the Windward Islands in the next few hours. If you think this is an awfully early time for a storm like this, you are right. Right now, ocean temperatures are where they would normally be in August or September. That warm water is fuel for tropical storm systems. Experts saying it probably means that we are in for a busy hurricane season. The National Hurricane Center is also monitoring two other areas where storms could develop.
From the KQ2 Weather Desk, your KQ2 Local Weather Authority forecast with meteorologist Vanessa Alonso, sponsored by East Ridge Car Wash.
Well, Vanessa, I guess it is that time of the year, isn't it?
Well, hurricanes are the reason why I got into meteorology in the first place, Courtney. I am a Florida native. I grew up with these systems all the time growing up, and Beryl, it went through rapid intensification over the weekend. Now, overnight, it did go through an eye wall replacement cycle, which caused the storm to weaken a bit. But as you can see in these last few frames of the infrared satellite, that eye is starting to pop up again. I'm already looking at discussions from the National Hurricane Center. They are thinking that Beryl will re-strengthen back up into a Category 4 hurricane. Right now, it's a major Category 3 storm with winds at 120 miles per hour. It is forecast to re-strengthen into a Cat 4 before making landfall somewhere between St. Vincent and Grenada and the Windward Islands as we head into later on today, and then continue moving through the Caribbean over the next several days. Thankfully, this is going to be missing the U.S. mainland, but will pose a threat to our friends in the Caribbean islands. Back here at home, we don't have hurricane or tropical systems to worry about, but we are watching for the potential of severe storms. And of course, we are continuing to monitor those river levels at the Missouri River, as right now we remain a little over 21 feet this morning. In moderate flood stage, this is going to continue to rise to 24 feet as we head into Wednesday before it starts dropping down as we head into the rest of the holiday weekend. That is why the flood warnings remain in effect, and it will stay in effect through the long holiday weekend. So if you live along the Missouri River, be aware for those flooding concerns. Now let's talk about the severe weather threat. Heading into tonight, we are going to be watching for the potential of strong to severe storms out to our west. Not going to be a big concern for us here in northwest Missouri and northeast Kansas. However, as we head into Tuesday, as that system moves off to the east, we're going to be under a level 3 enhanced risk for strong to severe storms for large hail and damaging winds as the primary threats. So keep it tuned here to KQ2 for the very latest. We have been seeing clouds increasing over the last several hours, and rain chances are going to be moving in here as we head into the late morning into the early afternoon, as we have the first part of this system moving through the region. The rest of it is out to our west. This is what's going to be pushing through here as we head into tomorrow. So let's walk through the hour-by-hour forecast. Grab the umbrella, grab the rain gear as you're heading out the door, because we're going to have rain and storm chances late morning into the early afternoon. Should be out of here by tonight, Monday evening. Not expecting any issues. Heading into Tuesday, clouds will start increasing. It's going to be a very warm and humid Tuesday for us, highs in the 90s before those storms move in as we head into Tuesday evening. I'll have that 7-day forecast coming up in about 5 minutes, Courtney.
I'm still ahead here.